How to delete or erase email, a send email in Outlook. You can also recall it, or you can change, you can also, you know change something or edit your email and you can resend it. So how we can do this? So let's start with the video, guys. In this video we are going to learn about. So before starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Outlook first. Okay, so if you want to delete the send mail or recall the send mail, you can do this, but the receiver should not open the mail. Once he or she open your mail, you not able to recall it or delete it. Okay, so I will show you the conditions. So first let me send the one email to the my another email ID. So I just send the email here, send it. Okay, some correction over there. I have to. Okay, this CC I need to add subject. Ignore all. Okay, it is sent now. So let me come to the send item, and here you can see I just sent this mail. So I have to just open it, and as I told you, I have to recall it before it's opened by the receiver. So I can do this. Go to the file, go to the recall, and send and recall. So you can see recall this message, delete and replace the send message, or you can resend this message, send the message again with the option to update content or change the recipient. You can also change the content and change the receiver. Okay, you can change content, anything you can add, or you can change the receiver also. You can add the receiver from here, or you can change the receiver and send it. And another option we have to recall this message and delete this message. Just click on it, and you can see delete 100 copies of this message. So you can delete the message, but it should be 100. So the receiver not should not open the your copies. So just click on it and just click on OK, and this is the notification. Once your action is succeed, you will get the one notification on inbox. Okay, and this is for delete 100 copies and replace with the new message. You can also delete the 100 copies and replace with a new message, but this option can be applied for the read. If your receiver read your message, you can replace with the new message, but you can't delete it once he read. Okay, so this is option only for the replace can be applied for if it is messages has been read. Okay, but the delete option not available for read copies, is only available for unread. So you have to do this as soon as possible. So the receiver should not read the copies to delete your message, but you can still replace your message with this. Just click on, if you want to delete, just click on delete and OK. Then you will get the notification in inbox when your message will be deleted. Okay, so it will be time I didn't get any message. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.